check his later. Good afternoon, Sir Simon. This is Ella from housekeeping. I'm sorry to disturb you, but I just want to know if you want your room made up. Would you like us to do the makeup later?
Hello, good afternoon. Can you make it later?
At what time, sir?
At 10 p.m.
Oh, thank you po.
Okay ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Odi. Can you please make up the room 306 at 10 p.m. because my shift is only at 9 p.m.
Okay. Thank you for informing me. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Odi.